Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Bailey. Feel free to hit that subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram for more content at Stewart. Today's video Today's video is a taste test of my favorite protein, which is the Myprotein Clear Whey Isolate. They also have so many different options. They have Whey Forward, which is animal free and sugar free. They have a meal replacement option, so it's a little bit higher calorie than the normal ones. And they also have vegan protein that has tons of yummy flavor options. They also have your normal chocolate. They have so many different products, so definitely check it out. I also have a discount code for you guys to use, so you guys can use my code BAILEYMYP to save money on your order. So thank you so much Myprotein for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna be tasting all of the Clear Whey isolates because I have a lot and I love them. There's also a new flavor which I'm super excited to try. It's getting me in the mood for fall. It is the caramel apple. I kid you not, guys, the flavors are endless, and if you're unsure of what flavor you want to try, like you don't want to buy a giant size because you're not sure if you'll like it, they do have samples of each flavor. That way you can kind of test it out, see which one you do like. So today we will be trying the caramel apple, the peach mango, pear ginger, which is a vegan one, strawberry, rocket pop. I've already tried this one. This is my favorite. The Mike and Ike Caribbean Punch, so good. And then the classic, which is just your good old lemonade that you can mix into so many different things. Some yummy strawberry lemonade smoothies. So yeah, I'm gonna mix these up and we're gonna do a little taste test and find out which ones I like and which ones I don't. Okay, so I mixed up the strawberry and the peach mango. I'm not normally a strawberry gal, to be honest. Like, I normally gravitate towards cherry, so we shall see. Not bad. Tastes like strawberry. Nice strawberry. It's not a super strong strawberry flavor, so I don't mind it at all. It's not bad. Give it a 7 out of 10. And this is the peach mango. I'm a little nervous for peach mango because, to be quite honest, I'm not a mango gal. I do like peaches, but mango? Also, don't smell these. They don't smell good, but they taste good. So, don't do that. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a fan. I'm not a fan. It's not terrible, like I could drink it, but I wouldn't want to when I have other options. So I give this like a 3 out of 10. I'm not a mango gal and it does taste heavily mango. It's a no for me. So I'm gonna mix up a few other flavors and we're gonna taste those. Yeah, average. Out of all the options, I probably would not buy these 2 flavors on my own because I'm just not a mango or strawberry gal. That's just me. Here we have, this one is the pear mango, which is a vegan one. And then we have Rocket Pop. Now, I've tried Rocket Pop before. It's one of my faves. So I'm not nervous about that one. This one I'm nervous about because I don't like pear and I don't like ginger. And it smells gross, okay? It just smells weird. Maybe because it's a vegan one? I don't know. All right, we're gonna drink it. Okay. I don't like the way it smells. I don't even know how to describe. It doesn't smell drinkable. Do people like that flavor? 0 out of 10. That's not even drinkable. Okay, so here's the Rocket Pop. Love it. Tastes good. Tastes very similar to the, is it ice cream? No, the popsicles. Yeah, really good. I feel like you can't go wrong with Rocket Pop, especially if you liked the popsicles growing up. Tastes like it, tastes really good with ice, even blended up. It's really good. Easy to chug after a workout. nowhere near as awful as that pear ginger. All right, now we're gonna try some new flavors. Here are our next two flavors, which are my top, my faves, my staples. I always have to have these stocked in my cabinets. It is the Mike and Ike Caribbean Punch. Yeah, so we're gonna taste these, even though I already know they're gonna be like 10s because I drink them all the time. Yeah, you can't go wrong. It's a little bit more on the sour side because it's kind of like, if you know Mike and Ike's. But it tastes like you're drinking candy. It's really good. I can chug these two the easiest after my workout with some ice. It's, yeah. And then I like lemonade because I can mix it in with so many different things. Like, I know my favorite is like strawberry lemonade, like blend it up. And it reminds me of the smoothie I used to get from Tropical Smoothie all the time, but this time it has protein. So I'm here for it. Yeah, literally like lemonade. 10 out of 10 recommend. These two flavors, you cannot go wrong. Oh, they're so good. So next we will try the caramel apple. I've already tried the Whey Forward on a TikTok, if you guys want to check that out. The creamy mint chocolate chip is another amazing flavor. It's so good. You don't even need to mix it, like blend it up. Just drink it with water and it literally tastes like a Thin Mint. 10 out of 10 recommend that. So here is the limited edition fall flavor, the caramel apple. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really a caramel apple girl. I've never even eaten a caramel apple from like the fair, but it smells good, so I have high hopes. I think they also have jelly bean flavor. I think they have like 3 jelly bean flavors too. Those are limited edition if you want to check those out if you're like a big jelly bean gal. So far, smell very caramel. You guys know. If you watched at least my Whey Forward taste test, I don't really like caramel, but I do like apple. And it reminds me of fall, and I love fall, so maybe I'll like it. Maybe I have been a caramel apple gal this whole time. I just never knew it. Excuse me. Here we go. Wow, I actually don't mind that at all. It smells like caramel, has a very faint caramel like flavor. It tastes like apple, like it tastes like a sweet apple. Wow, I actually like this. I was nervous because you guys know I don't like caramel. And then the Whey Forward rich salted caramel just like was not a fave. I give this 8 out of 10, I'm not gonna lie. I would drink this. I feel like this would be good too hot, like a hot tea or like a hot. Has anyone ever had hot protein drink? Like, does that work? Cause like I feel like in the mornings, a caramel apple protein shake, but like hot, kind of like your coffee. I feel like that might be low-key good. One of y'all try it out and then let me know. On to next flavors. Bye. Next 2 flavors. These are the My Vegan, so the clear vegan protein, in raspberry lemonade and grape. I'm gonna be honest. I like lemonade. I have never been a raspberry gal. Like, I won't even eat the fruit. I'm not a grape flavored gal. I just realized how picky I am. Wow. Like, I'll eat grapes. I love grapes, the fruit. But flavored grape, like, I don't even eat like Jolly Rancher flavored grape. Like, I won't, no. It's like not a fave. So I'm a little nervous. Should we do a sniff test? Oh, smells raspberry. I think it's a texture thing. Like, I don't like raspberries because of the texture. Like, it just freaks me out. It smells like grape. I keep burping. I am so sorry. I'm being so rude. It's not like I hate grape flavoring. It just isn't a fave. So we'll try the raspberry lemonade. Oh, I don't like that. Oh my god, I don't like that. I just don't think I like raspberry. That's nasty. Vegan has 10 grams of protein, whereas the clear isolate is 20. I don't think I mentioned that. I just noticed it from the thing. I'm not gonna lie.
don't like that. If you like raspberry, you'll probably like it, but I don't like raspberry. Now for grape. Grape is strong. Like, I smell it from here. It's like wafting up my nostrils. Okay. I'm so, oh no. That's worse than the raspberry lemonade. Oh my gosh. It tastes chemically. I give these, okay, this one didn't make my tongue tingle, so I'll give it a 1 out of 10. This one was not for me, 0 out of 10. All right, last flavor, which is one of the first flavors I think I tried. It is the Clear Whey Isolate Cherry Vanilla Cream. It kind of reminds me of like a cheer wine, like you get at Cookout. It smells like perfume. It's good. I already know I like it, but we're gonna do it anyways. Yeah, it's like I love cherry flavored stuff. Ever since I was little, I always gravitated towards cherry, so this one's really good. It's a little bit sweeter. Again, reminds me of like cheer wine. I give this a 9 out of 10. My top flavors still are the Myprotein, Caribbean Punch, and Lemonade. Oh, and Rocket Pop. Rocket Pop's pretty good too, but these are just like, if I could only pick 2, it would be these. I love them. They're so good. I mean, literally just in water and ice, and I will chug it like it's some extravagant drink that I just bought. It's so good. There's so many different ways you can mix it up. You can make it into like a slushie, and it's yummy. 20 grams of protein. Again, they have tons of different flavors, tons of different options based on your nutritional needs. I drink 2 protein shakes a day, so I'll usually have like the Clear Whey Isolate, which is a nice fruity, refreshing one, and then later at night I will have a thick, chocolatey, creamy one using their Impact Whey Isolate. It's better for your tummy. I have IBS and I'm lactose intolerant, so this just sits better with my stomach. It's got 20 grams of protein. I mix it in, it's the chocolate smooth. I mix it in with like peanut butter, granola, banana. I feel like you guys have seen that protein shake all the time. I don't really switch it up. Yeah, again, they have so many different options for your needs. Thank you so much, Myprotein, for sponsoring this video. Hopefully this was a fun little switch up in my content, a little taste test. Let me know what your favorite flavor is, or if you decide to give it a try. Again, you guys can use my code BAILEYMYP at checkout to save money on your order. Tag me in your Myprotein taste test or stories. I love seeing that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.